Hello my dear students, in today's lesson we're going to talk about the pronouns. So, what is it, pronouns? Pronoun is a word used in place of one or more nouns or pronouns. For example, as Dan, if Dan has done Dan's homework. If you use the pronouns as Dan, if he has done his homework. Here you can see that he and the his, all of them, are the pronouns. So, there are three types of personal pronouns. A personal pronoun refers to the one speaking first person and the one spoken to second person. The one spoken about the third person. So, personal pronoun. What about the personal pronoun? Yes? First person, for example, I, we, mine, us, our, ours, we. All of them are the personal pronouns. The second person, you, your, and the yours. The third person, he, his, him, she, her, hers, it is, they, them, their, theirs. All of them, the pronouns, the personal pronouns. So practice with the pronoun types. Let's determine the type of each pronoun used. We like to use his games when we are at their house. You should try them, it is worth your time. So, we, it is the first. The his, here you can see the his pronoun, his, it's the third one, and their in the third place, and so you and the second, them also third one, it third one, and the your, it will be third type. So his aunt also wants one example for the determine the type of each pronoun. His aunt, for example, yes, his aunt is a friend of mine. I have known her 4 years. They will both be coming to our performance whenever it occurs. His is the third place, I is the first, your third type, and they third type, our first type, its third type will be. So there are three cases of personal pronouns. When determining case, first ask yourself, is this pronoun showing possession of something? It will be possessive pronoun. If it doesn't show possession, look at where it's located in the sentence. If it is the subject or refers to the subject, it is a nominative. Nominative possessive. If it is in the predicate and it is different than the subject, it is objective. So, personal pronoun cases, nominative, objective, and possessive. Usually in subject will be nominative, for example, I, we, you, he, she, they, it, all of them are nominative pronouns, personal pronouns. And what about the object pronoun? Object pronoun in predicate, for example, me, you, us, him, her, them, and it. So, what about the possessive one, showing ownership, for example, mine, our, ours, his, her, hers, theirs, it's yours. Yours will be the next one, the pronoun case. The practice word case as a following pronouns. I will be taking the bus to school. I will be nominative, yes. The second one, the second example, the bus is stopping for me. Me will be objective. They are my friends. They nominative and my possessive. So once more, our team is challenging them in the finals. Our is the possessive and them objective will be. She usually calls him on her cell phone. She nominative will be, him objective, and her possessive. Let's determine type and the case. She knows the answer. It is my turn. Can you help me? You can bring the soda, that is his eraser. Also, I like to study with them will be the targets. So we'll call you later. Pronouns antecedents. An antecedent is a noun that the pronoun replaces. For example, Sharon always brings her purse to school. Her, it is a pronoun. Sharon is the antecedent. Pronouns and antecedents. Brian is going to his class. Brian is the antecedent, and the in it was replaced by the pronoun will be his. Scarlett and Mary are leaving their house right now. Scarlett and Mary are the antecedents, and they are replaced with the pronoun they. The bus driver is parking and he will be right back. What is the pronoun and what is the antecedent? Bus driver antecedent and he will be pronoun. Noun or pronoun and agreements. Yes, noun or pronouns must agree on two items: number. So nouns and pronouns must agree on two items: number and the gender. For example, Brian brought his friend to the party. Correct gender, and the veranda window are using their phones. The correct number. So demonstrative pronouns are this, that, this, and those. Demonstrative pronouns point out something and they stand alone in the sentence. This is a new chair. I found those in the forest. Demonstrative adjectives. Be careful not to confuse demonstrative pronouns with demonstrative adjectives. That's my book. That is a demonstrative pronoun. That book is mine. That is demonstrative adjective. When the demonstrative pronoun stands alone, for example, A, it is functioning as a pronoun. When the demonstrative pronoun is followed by a noun, for example, B, yeah, it's functioning as an adjective. Demonstrative adjective or demonstrative pronoun. Where do you find that demonstrative pronoun? That cat is brand new. Demonstrative adjective. This is the last time I can go. Also demonstrative pronoun. I can't wear those shoes. Demonstrative adjective. Let's talk about the interrogative pronouns. Interrogative pronouns are what, which, who, and the who. Also, the last one, and the whose. Interrogative pronouns are usually used in questions, such as, who will be taking the bus to school? It's the answer to the question. Is it who or who? If you can remove the interrogative pronoun and replace with he or she, the answer is who. If you can remove the interrogative pronoun and replace with him or her, the answer is who. Try the rule. Remember that you have to answer questions that's being asked. Who is planning to the party? He is planning to the party. Who is planning to the party? He is planning to the party. Do you know who or whom is coming? He is coming. Do you know who is coming? He, we must use the who. With whom are you going? I'm going with him. Him, who. So we must who say. The reflexive intensive pronouns. What about the reflexive and intensive pronouns? Yeah, single forms. Myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself. Plural forms. One moment. Himself, herself, itself, and the plural forms. Themselves, ourselves, and yourselves. Don't use self, his-self, or they-selves. You must use they-selves and his-selves. What's the difference between reflexive and intensive pronouns? Reflexive pronoun directs the action of the verb back to the subject. Becky will plan the party herself. An intensive pronoun adds emphasis to a noun or pronoun already named. Becky herself will plan the party. Independent pronouns. Independent pronouns refer to people, places, or things, often without specifying which ones. Indefinite pronouns examples: singular forms: another, anybody, anyone, anything, each, either, everybody, everyone, everything, little, much, neither, nobody, no one, nothing, one, other, somebody, someone, something, All of them are single forms of indefinite pronouns. Then, and what about the plural forms? Was, few, many, others, several will be plural form. Single or plural. Any, more, most, none, and some. So, let's demonstrative adjectives. Yeah, demonstrative pronouns. We're going to talk about noun pronoun agreement. Yeah. So pronouns must agree on two items. So number and also we have said about the gender. So we're going to talk about the numbers, also the pronoun agreements. Brian brought his friend to the party. It is a correct gender. It is a gender also will be his. We're talking about the brain. So where and when they are using the pose, it's the correct number. Where and when they are using their phones. So we have talked about that, these, that, those. Demonstrative pronouns, yeah? Point out something and stand alone in a sentence. Also that, for example, it's a new chair. That, it's a new computer. That it will be a new house, new home will be. I found those in the forest. I found those in the forest. Those will be also the pronoun, yeah? Those, it is a plural form of that, if you know. And this also will be also demonstrative pronoun will be this. That is my book. Yeah, that is demonstrative. That book is mine. That is a demonstrative adjective. Also, this we are going to talk about. This is a book. This is my book. Yeah, this is my book. These are my books. For example, in the plural form, you can use in a these also. This here you can see that also, and those in the plural forms. These in a single form, and these also will be plural form. Demonstrative adjective or demonstrative pronoun. Where did you find that? Yeah, demonstrative pronoun will be. We have said that where that car is brand new. That cat will be a new one for our house. Yeah, will be also demonstrative adjective. And this is the last time I can go. Will be also this is the my poem, yeah, this is the last time you can go. Demonstrative pronoun. This also the pronoun demonstrative, and the demonstrative will be adjective, also the pronoun will be demonstrative, and this last one, demonstrative adjective will be. I can't wear those shoes. It's in the plural form. This, that, also. Will be. What about the charity pronouns? The charity pronouns you have a lot of, yeah, what, which, who, and all of them. And also whom. We are going to talk about the whom, which, what, when, where, and where have you been, when you have been in London, for example. Yeah, I'm going to somebody. To summer with somebody, yeah, with somebody we're going to London, for example. London, which capital of the London city? Yeah, who? Also the who will be. What? Here you can see what, which, who, whom, when, why. In what cases? For example, in what. And a lot of other whose, for example, a lot of imperative pronouns can. They are so long time it will take.